Hi guys. So today we had a really good session, but still I would not say it was one of my favorite session because there are many things which didn't go as per my likings. Anyways, let's see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow is expiry. Let's see if we can get a good trade tomorrow. So right now the market has closed at a really bullish tendency. I would be buying the market tomorrow at about this level if it crosses 36,987, but still provided that there is some amount of positive news. And let me just show you this point over here is turning out to be a really good support in bank nifty around about this point, which is 36,532. So once we break this point, which would be the day's low for today, we can see a good movement in bank nifty. Okay, but before that, I don't think that bank nifty is willing to go down, but let's see. If it opens with a huge gap up, then probably in the morning we would be getting a good trade. Okay, so buy above this level, which is 36,000 or 37,000, provided that there's a strong bullish tendency, and also provided that there is some sort of good news in the market. Okay, and today I hope that you all had made money. And yeah, today the market did test our patience right about at this point. I had held my position, my put option, for quite some time, and it had lost its value due to the time decay which was taking place. So right about at this point, at this candle, I had shorted bank nifty, and then it reversed, but I knew there was a really strong support at this point, and it still sustained at around this point and could not go up. So due to the momentum, I did get some amount of profits back. So I re-entered again at this level when it was making a green candle. I knew that it would bounce up. So that's how you should trade, guys. If something is going against you, definitely hold the position until you feel that your target isn't met. Okay, don't exit before your target. And today I would have exited from the put option. It was showing me a loss of around about 4,000, and then it got converted to a profit of 6,000. It even showed me a profit of 9,000, but at the end could not book it at that level, but that's okay. Let's see tomorrow what happens. Okay, nifty, guys, nifty is still looking strong, but until and unless it breaks 17,000 to 426, which is the all-time high in nifty, I would not be going bullish. And tomorrow's expiry, I think there might be a pump and dump taking place, so let's see what happens. Okay, I also have a few stocks in mind for you guys. So the first stock which I have is Bajaj Finance, and Bajaj Finance has made its high at around about this level, 7,600 and 7,671. So I don't think that it's right now trying to go up. It's trying to come down actually. If you were to look somewhat at around that point, let me just show you what pattern it's making. So I would say it's kind of like a descending triangle pattern. Okay, so this might be a potential selling opportunity in Bajaj Finance. Once it breaks this point, which is 7,406, we can definitely go for a sell in Bajaj Finance till this level on an intraday basis. I'm talking about not from a long-term perspective. Obviously, Bajaj Finance is a really good stock from a long-term perspective. And one more stock which I have is Wipro. Again, this is trying to make a bearish tendency, but I would not go short in it because IT stocks are as such, they don't go down that easily, and my target for Wipro, as I had previously mentioned, is 1,000 level. So right now it has made a clear downtrend, but this can be a really good support in Wipro, which is 656. So let's see if it bounces off from here and makes some type of bullish tendency. Okay, if it does this behavior, then perhaps we can get a reversal from this point, and we can invest in this stock. Maybe, who knows, it's right time to enter this stock, and still I find this stock to be quite undervalued as compared to its competitors like Mindtree and all those stocks, because they are really they have really gone up in value, and now it has become costly for the retail investors, provided the low amount of margin which we are having to suffer. And also one more thing, guys, as you can see, SGX is also not trading at a really favorable level. It's showing a really bearish tendency, so I don't think tomorrow we are going to get a good uptrend. We definitely are aiming for a downtrend, so let's see what happens. If possible, we would directly go for the sell if there's a negative scenario. If it closes below 36,704, we can get a sell in bank nifty. Okay, and in the morning the volatility tends to be really high, so it can break these supports very easily and go down to 36,200 levels also. Okay, so I hope you like this video, guys. So yeah, definitely give it a like, and I'll meet you tomorrow. And yeah, we will have to see the situation and analyze the situation before taking the trade tomorrow in the morning. Okay, take care, bye.